Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Matt DiNardo. For many people, enduring financial hardships and any glimpse of financial help is welcome. But what if that help ends up hurting them? To tell us about some of these common scams and what you can do to effectively eliminate debt is Rusty Boleman with the Boleman Law Firm. Welcome back once again, Rusty. Let's start off with this question right out of the gate. What are so many of the scams promising out there?
Matt, thank you for the opportunity to be here. This is a topic near and dear to my heart.
Sure.
The scammers want your money,
right,
and they're out in force. They're out to take advantage of people who are frightened. They're offering everything. They're offering mortgage modifications. They're offering reduced payments on your credit cards, reduced payments on your medical bills, reduced payments on your cars, anything. They'll settle your annuity. They'll do everything. What do they want? They want your money.
So that's what they have in common then. They obviously have a theme to them at that point.
Yes. I mean, how can they afford to spend $20 million, no offense,
right,
on late night television? They want your money. The payments go to them. If you really analyze the fine print, even in what you'll see in any kind of written contact with them, but it's always the payments go to them first. It leaves you exposed. You wind up, very little of your money goes to the creditor. You wind up frequently in a situation where you're worse off than you began. You'll owe, continue to receive the collection calls, right, and ultimately you wind up getting sued and owing more.
Now we have some of those things on the screen here, what the scams can involve, Rusty. Can you go through a few of these? I mean, you kind of did a little bit there.
Well, the debt reduction letter, they get this from the credit bureaus. They buy this information from the credit bureaus and they make all kinds of promises. They'll reduce your interest rates and principals. They really want your money. They'll apply the first payments to their fee. That's always the situation. Mm-hmm. Look at these folks who say they'll work out your taxes. Right. The J.K. Harris's, the tax masters, both of them in bankruptcy. Both of them are being prosecuted, I understand, in their respective states. Money doesn't go to the creditors, and you can get sued for the full debt, interest, and the collection fees.
If these scams, which is what they are designed to steal my money, and I am already having serious financial issues, then what are my choices at that point?
You've got to stop your vulnerability, and the only way you can stop your vulnerability is with information. Come to see an expert bankruptcy lawyer. The Boleman Law Firm has 17 expert, experienced bankruptcy lawyers. We only do consumer bankruptcy law. We are specialists and have been for 21 years. Hundreds of thousands of folks have sought our advice.
Now, bankruptcy, is that a solution for everybody?
Absolutely not. Okay. Information is a solution for everyone. We offer a free consultation with one or more of our lawyers. It's not going to be a 2-minute situation where you fill out some forms. You're going to sit down with people who really care about you, want to listen to your story. Right. They want to find out how they can help you. If we give you good information and you don't file bankruptcy, you still may be someone who'll go out and tell another person about us.
Okay, what does bankruptcy do with foreclosures? Can it help with it?
Bankruptcy stops the foreclosure, stops repossession, stops the creditors' harassing calls. It does it immediately. Often we can do that in the same day of your visit.
And same thing with repossessions too. It can stop that as well.
Absolutely. We can even get the car returned after the repossession.
Now, if I am considering bankruptcy, there are two choices, I understand, for bankruptcy, right? 7 and 13?
There are two types of consumer bankruptcy. Chapter 13 gives you up to 5 years to work out a repayment schedule, keep property, keep your home, keep your car, deal with tax issues. Chapter 7 is a liquidation bankruptcy. People rarely lose property in it other than things you don't want. Maybe you don't want this high-priced car. Maybe you don't want this house that's upside down. Right. This gives you some time to collect your thoughts, to save up some money, relocate, do what is necessary for you to recover financially.
All right, Rusty, let's give the people the information they need to know. Here's how you contact Rusty and his 17 highly skilled lawyers on his team. It's real simple to do. Boleman Law Firm, they're at 2104 West Laburnum Avenue in Richmond. They also have offices in Hampton and Virginia Beach, 804-355-2057 and bowmanlaw.com.